Today's video, got some rims I gotta clean up, some wheels, sorry. This is the rim, the outer circumference. Wheel, tire. Yeah, I just gotta clean them up. It's for a little Chevy Cruise, turboed. These are the winners. Pick up some used winners. Actually, they were the originals for the car. We just went back to the owner and bought them. But they're pretty rusted up, so we clean them or brush them up, and then paint is showing up today for it. I'm just gonna paint them black again. I bought some Plasti-dip black and Plasti-dip clear. So we'll see how this works out. Just time-lapse video. There's one wheel. On to number two. Two of them are worse than the other two, simply because the last owner did not rotate tires. They had LF, RF, LR, RR marked on the tires, and you can clearly tell that they weren't rotated. Front wheel drive car. Drive tires are in front. The tread on the tires are considerably different. Also, you can tell with rust buildup. There's more rust on the front ones than there on the rear, which makes sense because they're always digging. So, all in all, just rotate your fucking tires. If you want them to last, just rotate them. It's not hard. It's really not. If you're doing your own tires, you should know how to rotate them. It's simple. Half an hour tops, an hour. Just makes me laugh, really. Anyways, we'll clean up number two, get on to number three, and then on to number four. Oops. And hopefully by that time, the paint is showing up from Amazon. And clean them up with some ISO, get all the debris off, make them nice and shiny clean before paint. Using a wire brush just to scuff them off and get the rust off so the paint sticks and lasts a long time. So I'm going to be the one working on this car for as long as they have this car. It's their father-in-law's wife's car, so we'll see. Cheers. What I did was, all four of them are cleaned up now for wheels. What I did with the orange rag there was ISO. Cleaned the whole garage up, sprayed it down, vacuumed it up, get the dust down and out. And now that they're wiped clean with ISO, they're ready for taping. Tape off the actual tire itself, and then start Plasti-dipping them, and go from there, coat after coat, and see how it goes.